Green Bridge.
Oh, jeez!
Oh man! I thought I was kind of scary you. I think you got me better. That was loud. How'd you do that?
Oh man! All right. Well, I wait for that. Here is the dare stick. It's not the original. I'll be honest. I've lost the original. Yeah.
That is so loud.
Don't move.
Do you remember dying?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you had it on you. No! Why is it so loud?
It's my doorbell.
Oh, okay, yeah. No sneaking in your base. Holy cow, man. Oh.
All right, well.
So I take it you heard. The dare has been completed.
Yes, I haven't seen any reactions yet, but I'm looking forward to it. But I thought I'd keep the dare stick moving, so off you go. Go and whack someone with it, and then give them a really, 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 really good dare.
Okay, perfect. I will. I'll be thinking about a dare. Cool. It's gonna be hard to top yours. That was
Bye-bye
really
now.
good. Okay, I'm out. Bye. I don't want to hear that anymore. See you later.